Okay, I'm back, and first I've got to deal with the fact this is dry. I've got to deal with that line down the center. And I think what I want to do is take my chances. I'm going to cover that line with Dancing Fuchsia. And give myself some more Dancing Fuchsia. A bit of a curve. Because I've wanted to put a curve in, so now I have. So next I'm going to use the Cyan Aqua, which is a purely pigment. And I'm going to use the Red Violet, which is a Vivid Intense. I thought it looked a little iffy there. I used one of my nail art tools. Which we will be using shortly. I'm being called to gold and I wasn't going to use any. So let me grab some. I've got Indian Spice. But it's been a while since I've used it, so I got to shake it up a little bit. I think I'm going to use it over here as well. Now I've got Boysenberry, which is a primary element. It's been sitting around a while. Give that another go over here. Same over here. I thought I wanted to use some orange, and I've got saffron. I guess I'm going to give it a shot. I think I've left room for one more stripe there. I'll do the saffron here as well. And here. That looks pretty cool. I've got Orange Crush and what else? I think the Orange Crush is next. Do I really want to do that? I could. I will. I'm happy I avoided hurting anything. Let's try, oh, I keep wanting to put it next to the saffron, but I'm not sure that that's what I really want to do. I've got some Blue Flame, which is another primary element. Looks like I had an accident with my bottle. Maybe I can clean that up. I'm always nervous about dragging the bottles through the paint. But these nail art tools really are helpful. Especially if the canvas has been pre-painted. So that'll work. I'm thinking more cyan aqua. And I just have to decide what happens down on this corner, and I think it's going to be Dancing Fuchsia. And then maybe I'll go, if I'm careful I won't put my bottle in there, and then I'll come back with the Orange Crush maybe. Although I kind of like it right how it is. I might put another line in here. I think that's got to be Blue Flame. That's the Boysenberry. Yeah, I want Blue Flame. I might even want a little more Blue Flame right here. Just not sure I can get away with it. It's kind of close. I think something else should go in there, and I think it's going to have to be the Orange Crush, but it's going to be tenuous. That's pretty cool without doing anything to it. But my intention was to do something to it. I just feel like taking a picture of it now. I like to move my paint along to the edge with my finger. Flatten out that last drip shape, which may or may not have any bearing on anything at all. Except for now's the time if I'm going to do it. Alright, I hope I don't ruin this. Alright, so my idea was to make something that looks like fabric. And I really like what I've got. I might be really sorry if I do this. Alright, so now I'm going for it. Just going to keep wiping that off. I've wanted to do this for a while. Ever since I started these crazy colorful weave-alikes. I could stop. I think I need to go back from the other direction. So I can complete that mark. Or at least fake it. I like the dimensionality. I'm not sure I'm in love with the residual effect. Another time I might consider stopping sooner. It's a first. There's no way to find out other than the hard way, as far as I know. Unless, of course, I'm doing a digital rendering. Should I leave the last lines? I kind of like them. I think they look cool. I'll do one more. Then I'm going to call it good. One more is going to be two more. Yep, I'm glad I put that gold in there. I wish I'd put a little more in, actually. Live and learn. I'll have to cover my edges. Sorry about my head. I kind of want to keep going. I'm going to do it. Put a little V in there. I hope I'm right about my assumption that it'll look okay. I got some very coppery looking paint. I still think it worked. Did it work well enough to do it on the other side? That's the question. I think we're going to leave it. Take that bubble out. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. It speaks to the YouTube algorithm. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out @gmail.com if you'd like to inquire about taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, one-on-one, or purchasing an artwork. Linked here, you'll find promo codes for Colourarte products and pixel paint designs, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video at around 2 p.m. hopefully. There's something else. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more, and I have 34 playlists of 100 videos each, and everything's organized by topic and genre. If you need anything, don't forget, ask questions. It's fine. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.